see the water. I just like this whole scene. Hello? Tonight my friend and I are going night shooting. I don't really know where. He made it sound like it was near the river, but it doesn't really matter to me. I'm using a Sony a7 IV with a 55mm lens, so if you want to look at this, it's really tight, but I think that's honestly really interesting, so.
You know Jason the Weed?
Yes.
He had a party last night in LA.
Of course you did.
Hella LA people went, it was so funny.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
카드 동행 카드인가요? 동행 카드? 아니 좀.
Huh?
카드 네임.
For line 5.
Okay. We're not done yet. We're taking a subway? Okay.
We're on the north side of the river, we have to go to the south.
Got it. Didn't have enough money. I think we might have hit a street festival on accident. We thought it'd be really quiet. It's pretty cool though. Dude. Gotta turn the ISO all the way up. That was awful. The water's probably still cool. If they're selling food somewhere, might have to buy some. Tteokbokki? I'm pretty sure there's like a water access point like over there.
Think so?
Yeah.
Dude, actually, the 1.4 is actually crazy.
Oh my god, dude. Yeah. Alright, let's check it out.
Oh, you wanna go over there?
Yeah. Ooh, that's sharp.
Have you ever heard about that rule where you should be shooting in terms of shutter speed in accordance with your lens length? Have you ever heard about that?
Ooh, wait. I need to step over here so there we go. Nah, but I need all of the S in Seoul to be clear. Let me get a little bit closer. And then I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Okay, one of those must be good.
What?
Ooh. Hold on. Just a second.
Kind of a good shot.
Let's see the water. I just like this whole scene. Hold on.
If only my lens was a little bit wider, it would be perfect.
Yeah. What'd you owe me for?
Huh?
What'd you owe me
No,
for?
I was like, why is everything red? But then I was like, oh, that's everything in focus, right?
Yeah.
I forgot about that setting.
It's pretty useful. Okay. Wait, that is actually kind of a vibe. Got something here? Hold on. Oh, wait, this is a great shot. Look at that. Dude, my lens just isn't wide enough. I thought I took the right lens, but...
Bump up the ISO, bro.
No, I mean just it's too tight. I should have grabbed the other one for like the wider city shots.
Yeah, I was expecting you to come down with a multiple. I could just carry it in my bag.
No, it's cool. Hold on. It's just not wide enough still. Oh well. What?
If I had a tripod with the 135, the tower.
What tower?
The Knoxville tower.
Oh, I don't even see it. Oh, yeah. Dude, yeah, if it was sunset, we'd be getting better shots, to be honest. Yeah. It's okay, next time. We'll just leave like an hour earlier, maybe. He started looking at me, I got scared.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Bro's about to get deported.
I'm about to get deported, bro. Just disappear into the crowd. Oh, this is a good shot, though. I know.
Bro, if I had the 135.
Look at that boat. Oh, I also really want that neon sign. Just don't know how to frame it. Oh, I need to step back. Still too tight.
Kind of an uncanny photo, yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of freaky. I won't lie.
The water.
Can you send me that one so I can put it in the video?
yeah. You just want to take one right now?
I mean, yeah, I'll do it. It's freaky.
Kind of weird, bro.
He took something like this.
A little dreamy.
Maybe. It's kind of cool. Nightcrawler?
Yeah.
It's just kind of cool.
Like, these are so good for bait.
Like for fishing?
Yeah, they get bigger fish.
Like guaranteed. How's that supposed to work?
I don't know, man.
Look at that cinematic shot of the Nightcrawler. Where are we going? Pizza place?
Yeah, it's gonna be on the right soon.
Alright. Nice. Oh, look at those apartments too. I don't know, it looks... The guy's in there.
Looks like a cafe, dude. I don't know if they sell...
Like food. They might have food. They have chips.
Just give it a try.
Yeah, let's give it a try. It looks nice. I'm actually gonna shoot it right now. Sorry. I low-key want a Pizza Hut too, but it's okay. This place looks cool. Nice.